Dealing with untamed hair on your little princess?
Or,
Meet the cartoon princess hairband. Perfect for any Korean.
yeah. Wala din.
DJ Neo, DJ pagkatapos sa pagbabalang kung saan sila sa taon sa figura and no stay again mas isusunod but he got the broken while they broke mine you don't see much porque todo solution anda todo bien imposible decir
So now, let's do partner up. Partner. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sakto. So yung natin, sila. So, circle. Okay. Let's say pro. Ito na circle. Okay. So, so, when you do, hold the raise so your head to your shoulder and then connect. So, pag kinumit mo siya, itong shoulder natin hindi inaakyat. So, nakababa lang ito. Yes. Baba lang yung head ko ng dala. Tapos, connected siya from here, tapos arm. Parang yung socks na okay. So, hindi siya parang sa isang mo kasi nakapasok po sa zoom. Okay. So, let's start. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. And backward. Boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. In place. And boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. Side facing and boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. Again, one more backward and boom. Chip, boom. When you say change direction, yung right ng lalaki, twist and boom. Yes. Right legs. Right legs. Right legs. Right legs. Right leg and twist. Yes. Now, from from here. Okay? You do elastic push from here. Lateral and step. And lateral. Sa tayo, lalaki, you have to step on the line. Okay? So now, bago siya lilipat, yung left ko ang unang mahakbang. Which is transfer ng weight. So, ang weight ko halos nasa harapan. Pagdating mo tayo, and boom, shift, yes. Sa ito, nagsisimula, yung step. Nagka-transfer ng weight. Yes. When it says basic, you have to come back. And boom, shift, boom, shift, boom, shift, boom, shift. And elastic, push, lateral, lateral, and basic back. See? Now, Virginia. When you say Virginia, you have prominent position. Virginia, boom. And Virginia, on back. Virginia. Okay? So, sabay kami. Boom, shake, boom, shake, boom, shake, boom, shake, boom, shake, boom. Now, when you do Virginia, guys, always remember na huwag nyo silang kakain. Huwag nyo nakakapin mo tayo. You have to do your basic backward and then open nyo lang yung chest nyo. Naka-frame lang ako sa kanya, frame. So pag backward ko, open my chest. Okay? Kasabay na siya. Para maiwasan nyo yung paggamit ng puwersa. Hindi siya yung force para mag-Virginia. Or mag-prominent position. Okay? Yes. Yes. Basic again. Backward. E. Boom. Chi. Boom. Chi. Boom. Chi. And Virginia. Boom. Open chest. And balik. Open chest. And come back. Open chest. And come back. Open chest. And Virginia to lateral. And boom. Balik tayo sa kanila. Now, from here, we have to do side lunge to simple turn. Side lunge. Yes. Exit. Then simple turn on the ego. 1, 2, 3. So you have to touch upper step side in 1, 2, 3, guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, touch. And basic backward. Boom, shake, boom, shake, boom, boom. Now, we do it again. Virginia. Lateral. Boom, shake, boom, boom, boom. On the right. Side lunge. Boom, shake, simple turn. Basic, come back. Okay? Okay, change partner tayo para gaya natin iba. Change partner. Yung gaya lilipat, guys. You have to move. Lipat ka. Click. Sige. Ano ito na? Muna kay okay? So, hold your partner again. Face here. So, basic backward. Kick. Boom. Kick. Boom. Kick. Boom. Kick. Okay. So, ladies, you have to attack your partner. Okay? Remember that you have to attack para yung momentum laging nandun. Kasi kung you not attack yung mga guys, hindi kayo mag-flow. Maliit yung detail once na flow. Boom! Kahit taksan nyo hindi siya lalakas kasi hindi siya nag-attack. So, yung information para umatak siya, bago ba ako, and boom! Chick, boom! Chick, boom! Chick, boom! Chick, boom! Pagkatak mo ba ay tayo naman? Sila naman. Pag bitaw mo dito, yun yung elastic. Yung elastic sila siya. So, yung meron siyang flow. So pag hinila mo lang siya, boom, check, boom, wala. So hindi siya masyadong makakakaroon ng pwede. Hindi siya kakaroon ng elasticity. So zoom is elasticity. Okay? So, ito ginagawa na natin para rin kayo, hindi kayo magilapag lalo yung mga bahay. Yung bahay kayo kasama. Alam ko kung ba yung kita. Kaya, alam mo siya saraya lang. Saraya, parang kayo pala. Okay, so, one more. Sige, together. 5, 6, basic backward, 8. Boom, tayo naman. Sila. Nice. Now, Virginia, hila. Boom, lateral. Boom. Lateral. Nice. Lateral. 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 And basic come back. Catch. And boom. Chip. Chip. Boom. Chip. Chip. Boom. Chip. Chip. Boom. Elastic. Push. Lateral. Boom. Chip. Boom. Chip. Chip. Boom. Chip. Chip. Boom. Side lunge. Simple turn. And come back. Boom. Okay. So, yeah, pag side lunge, so, pag side lunge, yung babae, umiikot siya, simple turn. 1, 2, 3 yung step niya, we need to step 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, you need to touch, bago pa siya matapos. Wait na yung kamay mo rin. Wait na yung kapag 1, 2, 3. Tutok mo yung kamay mo agad. Tutok mo ba?
Ano dapat tuloy mo nga ba?
Tutok mo. 1, 2, kailangan
Prepare na for catch.
prepare. 1, yes. Prepare for the catch. Kasi pag walang preparation yung catch, ang mangyari, maiipit yung kamay ng babae. Sometimes, dito mo siya mahawak, sa loob na siya. So, if you catch, bachata, kizomba, you have to advance. Connect catch. Once na-repair yung bike, magagawa mo lahat ng gusto mo kasi nakaputan ng kamay ng lalaki. Yes. Then one thing, huwag nyo rin silang ihilahin. Okay? Huwag nyo ihilahin ng mga babae. Hindi rin sila naka-ready. Kasi pwede sila matumba ang balance. So, para makaprepare sila from here, side lunge, tapos 1, 2, 3, and baba ako, and boom! Chip, boom! Hindi siya, 1, 2, 3, hila. Nagkapano yung kasayaw nyo. Kasi nagahalo kayo sa tuktok. Hindi nyo kailangan siya ng hamon yung magbibili kayo. Para masanay kayo na meron siyang hinanam-nam. There is a savor, like a food. So, from side lunge, a little bit faster, pero you have to prepare. And boom, chip, boom, chip, boom. There is a preparation. Prepare to move forward. Okay? So, let's go back. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Si Javi, ano dati si Javi ko yun eh? Dati si Javi? Oo, dati. Okay, si Polly. Maraming si Polly. Let's go back. From the side lunge. Yeah, side lunge. Now, one thing. Yung side lunge, hindi siya kailangan, it's not like you pose like pose. No, there's no posing.
Continue.
You delay. Mag-delay kailangan side lunge. Ayun lang, stand, tone, flat. But you're not bending your knee. Kasi delay. Dapat toe flat. No bending. Just toe flat and stay on the heel and catch. 1, 2, 3, and boom. Okay? Let's try again. Okay. So, from the side catch, stand, side catch, and single turn. Catch. And boom, chip, boom. boom, cheek, boom, cheek, boom, cheek, elastic, lateral, boom, cheek, boom, cheek, chest to chest, chest to chest. Bitawan nyo. Let your ladies, okay, Wi-Fi, 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 side lunge, Wi-Fi, simple turn, catch. So, now, if you're doing a Wi-Fi connection or chest-to-chest connection, bring mo kuha yung tamang pagdilig. Kasi you're not using that strength for any pulling. So, when I do that regalo, this is my friend. I'm using my chest, connected to her chest. So, I'm not using my hand to hit. When I let them go, so look, chest to chest, chest to chest. When I do side lunge, she follow because of my chest. And from here, yung body motion, my body motion, and she turn. I'm not using my hand. So, when you lead your partner, do side lunge, simple turn, there is no hand movement, there's no any parang pulling. So, even though I'm using my chest and body motion, I can lead her. And turn, boom, cheek, boom, cheek, and then. Okay? So we have to avoid that boom, cheek. Yung pulling. There is no pulling. Para iwasan natin, para you dance nice, tapos yung beautiful ng sayo, yung essence ng sayo. Kasi kung using the energy, no. So you have to frame, only frame. Okay? From the base again, tayo. Okay. And boom, cheek, boom, cheek. And elastic. Lateral. Now, chest to chest. Okay, bitawan nyo. Wi-Fi. And boom, cheek, boom, cheek, boom, cheek, boom. Now, side lunge. Simple turn. And come back. Nice. Perfect. Okay, so now, dito na yung konti. Now, go back to that position. We have to do Ostaginia. Okay? Ostaginia. So, Ostaginia and block. Then, transfer. And hip. Release. And Viraginia. Okay? You have to twist your hips, guys. Hips. Para mag-hip yung pati. Okay? So let's do it. From basic and boom, cheek, boom. Now, Ostaginia. Diagonal and here, together, hip. When you hip, release. And basic.
Excuse me. Pagka Viraginia, ano tawag din? Ostaginia. Di ba, ilalagay mo sa dito. Ano natin gagawin din? Meron din gano'n na natin.
Malabas. Pero, yung diagonal movement ng lalaki, you have to opposite sa kabila. So, from the right, kung block, from my right, lilipat ko siya sa left ko, then together, and yes. Magbala kami, nagkakayo kami. Okay, then release. And Viraginia. There's no weight on the body. You have to sit lang, guys. Sit. Look. Yan block. Pag-block ko sa kanya, lilipat ko lang siya. I change direction. Now, sit. Then up. That's it. Then release.
So, yung babae mag-isa during doon sa lalaki.
Kasi, the information, ibibigay natin sila sa baba. Kaya no choice sila. Yan magkakaroon sila ng no choice and boom. Tap, and isang mabilis lang siya na change direction and then assist. Okay? Let's do it. Let's do it. Remember, yeah, ganyan lang. Hindi kailangan mag-wave. Wala tayong wave na ganito. Wala. Para lang tayong mag-bend. Yung babae, since may change ng direction, sit lang, sit, and hit. Yes. Para siyang kukulang. Okay? Okay. Good. Basic. E. Boom, chick, chick. Boom na. Ostagina. Boom, chick, chick. Boom, chick, chick. Basic. Virginia lateral. Okay? Claro? Claro. Claro? Okay, change partner. Change partner. So, lalaki, move. 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 Okay. Now, yung kanina, tandaan niyo mga na, Ostagina. Now, ito yung dos toshinyo. Yung dos toshinyo, you have to practice your basic. Then, I open my legs, twist ko lang siya. Then, bigyan mo siya ng turn. Then, come back. Okay? Into it. Okay. Dos toshinyo.
Ano yan pala yan? Hindi pa.
Gusto.
Gusto ko sa inyo.
Gusto ko sa inyo. Okay, so basic backward. E. Boom, chick, chick, boom, chick, chick, boom, chick, chick, boom. Gusto shinyo. And boom, stop. So, we need to twist our body. So, twist tayo and twist. Yes. Now, from here, reverse turn. Then, come back. So, remember. Yan. Kailangan ito natin. Kasi kung hindi wala nyo mabayo yung twisting, yung release, mawawala. Yes. Okay?
So parang saan mapunta si Virginia, no?
Yan.
Nice one.
Okay. Now we can do blockings also. So from basic, look, this is probably basic. Tapos I do block, same. Block and then release. And come back.
May black o wala?
You first practice without block. Para never turo ka para sa kailan na. Hindi mo na reaction. Until okay na siya, i-block mo yung paa niya. Okay lang. Okay? So, Doso Shino, with the blocking. Okay, block mo siya. Then reverse her. Perfect. Nice. Okay? Okay? Now, let's do it. The change. Kanina, so dalawang beses na siya. Meron siyang without blockings, and then meron siyang blockings. So yung blockings kanina, when you do block, then I twist my body, then she reverse. Now, twist ko yung katawan ko, and I block, pero wala nang mga hawakan. So from here, I change my hand, and she turn, then come back.
Basta.
So basic lang tayo, basic pa lang to. We go back from the basic. Then later on, i-zone doon natin. I-zone doon sa okay? Yeah. Pag nag-turn yung babae, remember, pag yung babae nag-turn, twist yung katawan. Pag nag-turn na siya, you have to catch on the right turn, catch kagad, para hindi siya lumayo. Catch kagad, tutok kagad yung sa kamay. Turn, yes. Para hindi mo tayo lumayo. Okay? So, one more. Goes for Shikuyo. And change the right, change the hand. Basic. And boom, jig, jig, boom, jig, jig, boom, jig. Now, goes to Shinyo. And boom, jig, jig, boom, jig, jig, boom. Yes. Nice. One more. And boom, jig, jig, boom, jig, jig, boom. Yes. Good. Okay, nandaan yung mga basic. Okay? Para hindi kayo maligaw kasi mamaya sila mag-ihit. So, Sushino, Sujina,
Ustadinya.
ano,
Ustadinya.
Yoyo. Yoyo na parang yung paano. So, okay.
Pumunta ko na yung yuyo na yan.
From basic, let's go back. Basic and boom, jig, jig, boom, jig. Now, elastic, lateral, lateral. Now, from here, stop. Now, there's that. Overturn, yo-yo, and 1, 2, 3. Then step forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sabay tayo sa kanila. Lakad, lakad, lakad. Habang nag-step sila, you have to step 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Parang side dash. Sabay mo siya. So, one more from the lateral. And boom, shake, shake, boom. Now, yo-yo. And 1, 2, stop. Okay, from here, I push 1, 2, 3. And another turn. 1, 2, 3. Now, step on the left. Left, right, left. Now, right, left, right. Now, left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Yes. So, pinabalik lang natin sila kung sila nang galing. Okay? So, that's also yo-yo. Now, tandaan nyo, pag mag-sell kayo, later on, the music, click and click. Do the yo-yo. So now, from the lateral, forward, from the lateral, and boom, shake, shake, boom, shake, shake, boom, shake, shake. So open lateral, and stop. Okay? Okay, so open lateral, tapos yo-yo. Ito, ano yung yo-yo? Yun yung, pag bigila yung pasayaw ko, yun yung gagawin ko. Kung marunong ka, you can pull and turn. Now, from here, I step my legs to push and open.
Ito yung open, walang holding sa...
Walang holding. So, remember the yo-yo. Come back, throw and come back. Throw and come back. Now, I come back and throw. Boom, shake, shake. Yes, and do that. Boom, shake, shake, boom, shake, shake, turn, shake, shake, boom, shake, shake, boom. Parang samba? Yes. Alright? So, yo-yo siya. Okay? Now, let's do hahu or vomit. Vomit. Then, we do basic for the partner. And basic. And boom, chip, chip, boom, chip, chip, boom, chip, chip. So, I breathe. And basic forward, forward, and hahu. Again, baho. And breathe. And back. Again. And breathe. And push up. Good. Now, stationary. And Now, from here, straighten yung mga knee, galing sa taas. Then, chin, 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 chin. Bend your knees, ladies. Bend your knees, ladies. When you look down. Now, pump up on the ground. Up. Move. And melt. Basic. Again. And breathe. In place. And pump up. And condense. Melt. And basic. Okay? Let's remember this is melting. So every time that the head movement pop up, the head condense or melt. Kasi there's no preparation when she's down and up and this.
Wow.
Okay? And also one thing, don't, when you kalimutan yung mga basic nyo, yung lateral, back lateral, you can use it para kung nagsasaya kayo yung socials, madali kayo makasayaw. Diba? Boom! G. Lateral. 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 Babae na. Mawala ko. Boom! G. Boom! G. Boom! Wala kayo. Boom! Ang lateral, hindi lang lateral na hihiwalay. Okay? Meron kayong kasama. So you can dance with your partner. Virginia. Lateral siya. Naka-forward siya. Then, siya naman ang backward. He's backward, I go forward. You have to do this in socials. Every time, don't think about that. Yung lateral is only this. Virginia and then lateral. Lateral. No. This also lateral. Together, boom, boom. This Virginia. Lateral and boom, together. It's also lateral. You know how to use this when I mix, change. And boom. Okay. Bago na kami sisi na alam. So, yun na siya. Yun na siya. Okay? So, Loyo, parts na. Change partner. Sige, electric pan lang mo.
Alin?
Electric pan.
At nagamitan ba?
Okay, change partner. So, change partner para one more basic. So, nasa kayo? Nasa yo-yo. Remember, yo-yo. Okay. So the main step of yo-yo from the lateral. Okay. Now, I pull 1, 2, 3. So she's facing this way. Then she will move forward. 1, 2, okay again. Yeah. This one is when you do open lateral. Ladies. When you do open lateral from the lateral, okay? From the lateral, the first open is lateral. Yes. Don't open like this.
Excuse me, Jay. Hindi pa punta sa lunch, no? Open lang lang.
Okay. So, remember, yung lateral nyo, ladies, then you do open lateral. Parehas na dapat siya. So, lateral. When I do open lateral, look. Yes. Ako, I'm just going that way. I adjust myself to away from her. See? Malalim na yung sa kanya. Hindi ako dito makapak. Dito ako sa malalim. Yo-yo or any open lateral. Lateral, open, then stop. Kapag hila, pares kami ng paa. 1, 2, 3. Loyo ka. Bumira ka yung So, open lateral. And yo-yo. Pag-pag ko ng yo-yo, sa ilalim mo pa ito. 1, 2, 3, push. 1, 2, 3, open. Now you have to open now. Because the energy is going outside. Yes. Right. So you have yo-yo. Open. Yes. Yes. Good. Okay? So now, so that's yo-yo. Remember yo-yo. Oh. Now let's do lateral again. And then open lateral and then boomerang. Boomerang. Okay? So, hold your partner on position. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 6, and boom, kick, boom, kick, boom. Elastic. Lateral. Lateral. Open lateral. Stop. Good. Yes. Now, we have away from your partner. Okay, good. Now, we do your boomerang turn. Boomerang. So, from here, step mo ba? Tayo ng lalaki, wala mo ng galaw. Sige. And 1, 2, 3. Please na. Until you face these windows. Okay? So, ang lalaki, when she's turning, tayo mga lalaki, from the left and the right, yung samba step, look, 1, 2, 3. Then you step natin. Okay? Now, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Now, marami tayo. Step natin. Ngayon, kung bonus step sila, another step and this step. And 1, 2, 3. So, sa lalaki, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Sa babae, for the ladies. For the ladies. Ladies, wait, so, from the ladies, step on 1, 2, 3. This is the last step of your step. Ladies, 3. Now, bonus step. 1, then up, and change. Okay? Sa lalaki, ito kung ano yung isip ito. Sa lalaki, 1, 2, 3. Down, up, down. Para ma-lead yung mga babae. For the ladies, look at my legs. For the ladies. And turn. 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm going down for my preparation on 1. Then I change it 1, up, 2, and 3. Change it. Okay? So, hold your partner from the open lateral. Let's do a 3-step first. And 1, 2, 3. Good. Good. Now, face your partner, ladies. And down, up, and change it. Perfect. Now, from this position, my body, I will lead my partner, not my hand. Okay? Yung mga natin, naka-hold lang sa kanila. So from here, she's doing a simple turn. And on my body, not on my hand. And touch. And boom, kick, okay? So, one more. Wrong lateral. From the lateral, and boom, chip, boom, chip, boom, chip, boom, open lateral, boomerang, and boom, change down and up, change brakes, and simple turn of back. One, two, three,
Wala nang sa tikot na wala.
Ini Pak Mo,
Ang wala ko sa tumay.
One, two, one, three, on. Kailangan mo lang ito sa kailangan yung 3 steps niya, yung left natin. Okay? Break. One more. Two, from the lateral. From the lateral, and boom, chip, boom, chip, boom, chip. Open lateral, boomerang, and one step, and down, up, and simple turn, and back. Kailangan mo okay? One more. Okay, one more. One more. Boomerang and bonus step. One more. From the lateral. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. Chip, boom. Now, open lateral. Boomerang and boom. Chip, down, up. And change. Very nice. Yung pendulum kasi, hindi magbilig sa inyo yung pag-down, up, down, up. Pag wala kasi, hindi siya magiging maayos. Nangyayari sa, kailangan sa, step mo basic na. Hindi step mo, side basic ang tawag mo. Boom, boom, Let's try with the music para ano. Let's try with the music from the start. Okay? From the start na.
Tous les jours au fond, je me doutais. Je me doutais de l'approche, je me doutais. Crois pas que tu seras ma pote, faut me gourer. Des mots creux jusqu'à la mort, faut me jouer. Va pas se cacher que mon passé contre pousser. Je demande
Sino ba? Si Paul? Ito kayo. Si Paul, si Jessica. Where tayo? Ang tayo class. So, si Jessica, tapos, dito mo rin yung iba kasi para iwalay natin yung bilulor sa atin. Ano kasi, ilan sila? Tayo, basic. Para marinig mo yung basic mo again. Kasi, mag-ihig sila eh. Baka, hindi ka mag-zoom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 10. So, dito muna kayo nila simulit muna yung picture na simulit. Good!
Artist.
So, para ano muna dyan, ibalik naman yung basic nila. Para ano, okay. Now, let's try to identify. So, first, you do head movement. If you want head movement, so first you have to learn the movement. So, when I breathe, when I put my weight on the right, so to the right, my right is on the left. Now, forward, this is cheek cheek. And this is boom. This is cheek 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 over. Remember guys, when you do round, when you do round, hindi siya basta no. There's a boom and cheek cheek. Boom, cheek cheek, boom, cheek cheek. Even reverse, same. Hindi siya boom, cheek cheek, boom, no. Not rotation. So from here, look. When I breathe, she's on the top. Now when I do boom, here, boom. Now, cheek, cheek, boom. Cheek, 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 boom. Cheek, cheek, boom. Okay? Here. So, from basic sample, so from basic and boom, cheek, cheek, boom, cheek, cheek, boom, cheek, cheek, boom. Now, when I step on this, delete ko siya on my right, sa left ko. Okay, one more as and basic, boom, cheek, cheek. Now, and boom, cheek, cheek, 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 boom. Yes. Okay? And then yung tama para yung parang tayo correct kayo sa kaya. Kasi pag nagkamali kayo ng ring, isang ikot yun eh. Okay? Yes. Okay? Good? Good. So let's try. Kasi dati nagawa natin ito, di ba? So let's try to do our basic from the guys. So, boom, cheek, cheek, boom, cheek, cheek, chase direction, boom, cheek, cheek, boom, cheek, cheek, boom, cheek, cheek, boom, cheek, cheek, boom. 180 degrees or 90? Huh? Kaya ako mag-56, isang routine na gano'n yun eh. So parang ano siya,
Hindi na ako sasabi. Parehas ako magaling.
so step yung basic without head. So basic. Boom. Now, change sign direction. Boom, G, boom, G. Boom on this 90. Come back. 90 degrees. And one more. And boom, G. Boom, get them back. Yes. Now, try natin yung head movement sa step. Okay? 5, 6, basic, and boom, G, and now, head movement, boom, G, boom, G. Wala pang rotation. No rotation. Stay on the line para wala pang basic, and boom, G, boom, and go. Boom, G, boom, boom, G. Now, change direction. And boom, G, boom, nice. Okay? So, once you master already social, you can use this. Once tandaan mo, yung wig, boom, parang magbago yung head mo kasi okay? So, yan. Tandaan nyo yung dapat hindi pwede na diretso. Boom, boom, nice. Okay, ang tawag yan, balaw ang masyado. Balaw ang masyado yan. Iyaw yung change. Okay? So, balaw ang masyado yung ginagawa niya. Para maintindihan nyo. And also, one thing, when you do basic, yung head, hindi lang puro papunta sa clockwise. Meron counterclockwise. So, yun mo, basic ka. Boom, chick, boom, chick, da, chick. Ganyan kasi yan. Okay? So, hindi lang clockwise yung relations ng babae. Meron pa opposite. Okay? Meron pa opposite. So, can you try it? Try natin, opposite. So, first movement is on the street. Okay? Now, from here, get boom, chick, boom. Chick, boom. Yan yung counterclockwise ng head movement. Okay, so basic tayo. Basic. Boom. Boom. Chick now. Boom. Yan kaya po yun ang isang practice lang. If you have to practice that, mahirap talaga yan. Kailangan. Yes! Dapat sa kanan na naman tapos. Pag-rotate mo dito. Okay. Turn. And practice without the head. So, tingnan na, pag without the head, no, ito dapat.
Ang pag-pigo niya pag nagbaka.
So habang hindi ka agahas ka ng bahay, ulit siya. Once na nakapil yung dito siya, then lang siya. Okay? Then, now, from here, kaya lang siya maglilipat. Yes. So, tingnan mo, basically ulit. See? And turn. Now, sa right. Right na to. Sa left go. Yan ang tingin niya. So, because with the head movement, move on the right. Nice. Parang yung mahilo. Isa lang. Did you try? Anong tawag mo? Basic mo na kayo without head. Guys, yung technique niyan, when you do round with the head, may yung talaga at saka mawawala talaga. So, ang technique niyan, you get away from the mother. So, yun, basically, when she goes around that way, tayo masakit.